Union carpenters are going to install 1.6 million solar modules on a 4,100-acre solar farm.
In a typical day, we would have 4 crews throwing up 10,000 panels.
Just about 1 million craft hours here, and about half of those coming from carpenters.
We have about 85 carpenters on site right now. At the peak, we're looking at about 200. We are about 6 months into it. So we've got the biggest part of this project yet ahead of us. So recruitment efforts are going to be huge for our needs.
It's just the goal in general for solar that we want to be the leading trade union out there for the racking and the installation and driving the pile of this. We want to show the manufacturers that we're taking the leading edge on training our workers to properly do this work.
The carpenters are the best in the industry. On this project, they can identify key advantages to build these faster, better, safer, with quality assurance at every step of the way, and building them on time and within budget.
I started as a tender for the pile crew. I drove the pile on the ground with the operator, and then after that I moved to QC. I ran pipe laser and tape laser. We are now installing the solar panels on top of the tubes.
Getting craft employees that understand how to install solar when they get here, as opposed to figuring it out after they get here, is huge for a lot of reasons. For safety, performance, quality performance, schedule, production. Getting past that learning curve as soon as possible is really a big, important thing because these jobs go so fast.
I started doing solar fresh out of high school, and I've been doing it for about 5-6 years now. I feel like it's a new wave of the jobs, and it's pretty easy for everybody to get into it.
Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council is looking to increase our membership, but not just increase the membership. We want our union to look like America, which is a diverse place. This is why America is the greatest country in the world.